Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I was sent this box free for review. This is from an Amazon, that you can buy this on Amazon. It is from the company BluQbt, and it says get well soon. Blue's gonna come through. It says sending hugs and love. Okay, come on, Blue. Sending hugs and love. And look at it, it's a beautiful box. And it has this ribbon on top, and when you open it, you just open up the box lid like this. You take that off. Whoops. So you have a nice box to keep things in. This is something you could take to the hospital and give to a friend that's in the hospital, or you could have it sent directly to them through Amazon, or you could have it sent to yourself and then carry it somewhere. But it's a very nice package. It has this cute little bag on top, and it has a little something in the bag. So let's see what this is. It's just called the Get Well Soon gift. And the thing about it is it's not just like a sappy kind of a gift. It's a fun gift to make you laugh. Okay, so it says, okay, this little thing, this is in here. Okay, I wish they would just behave so I can show you. There's a little piece of paper in here with this item, and it says, this is a little appreciation for you, the giver who cares for others. Please remove this little green bag from the gift box and keep this little gift for yourself. That is so nice. Okay, so that cute little, this is just a nice little key ring, a little leather key ring. I got a blue leather. Isn't that nice? Just, you know, thinking of us as we're thinking of others. That's really cute. Anyway, okay, so inside the box, let me give you a sneak peek. There is a card right on the top. So it is the kind of gift that if you send it to yourself, then you can fill out the card. If you send it to your friend, then maybe fill the card out when you get there to visit them. It's really funny. It says, get well soon. And it says, get well soon, you tough cookie. And it's got a funny face on a chocolate chip cookie. And then it's blank inside, so you can put in whatever you'd like to say. And there are practical items in here, and there are funny items in here. So one of our practical items, there's this nice, did I give you a sneak peek? Because it has this cute little stuff in here that Camille really likes, and it's gotten all over because she's messing with it. There are these really nice soft, these are super soft socks, y'all. So these will keep your feet warm. Super, super cute and soft. Oh, I love them. I love them already. And then there's also this, you know, I use these often. This is, oops, I have it upside down. This is to go over your eyes for you to sleep. So if you're in a hospital bed and the light's coming in because you've been up all night, or you know, you've had surgery and you just need to sleep, you can put these on. And this adjusts, which is very nice. You can fit this to any size head, to a child, to an adult, you know, anybody can wear this. And it'll give you some rest. It'll block out most of the light. There's for your nose. And then you can use this at home. You know, you're sick, you're in bed, you just want to sleep a little bit, and you know, it's light out and you can't get the blinds closed tight enough. This kind of thing comes in handy. And then we have, this is very nice. Camille, go on through. This is very nice because one thing you must do when you're sick is to hydrate. I tell you that all the time too. Hydrate, 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 even on good days, even when you're not sick. So there's this wonderful tumbler in here, and it's really nice. It says rest, relax, and recovery. And this is how it is. It has this nice sealed lid on top and a place to drink from, and it's thermal. So you could have hot liquid in here, or you could have cold liquid in here, and then there's where you drink it. So isn't that nice to have? Especially just, you know, you always have something with you, whether you're sitting in your recliner watching TV being sick, or if you're at the hospital or wherever you might be. And then there's some relaxation type things. This pretty little package here. This says enjoy your life, and it's a scented candle. Very nice presentation. This stuff is everywhere. Okay, Camille, please. This says enjoy your life scented candle. This is really pretty, y'all. It has a little card on top. Let me see. It smells very relaxing kind of a scent. like a spa kind of scent, and it has the wood wick, so it'll crackle like a fire, which is pretty cool. And then the container itself looks like marble. It feels like marble too. I don't know what that's made of, but can you see that? Camille, sit down, love. It's really pretty. So, and then see that wood wick? That's neat. So that's a nice little thing in there, a little nice relaxation going on. And with our relaxation, they also sent this little mini massager. And this is like one of those TENS units. It sticks to you. Let me see if I can, it's gonna be, yeah, it's all wrapped in plastic. I thought it would be. It has everything you need. All right, so this, it has these little electrode things here that you just snap. You snap this on the back, and it's digital. And then you stick this to, say, like your back, your upper back, if you're having trouble with your upper back. You'll stick it on there. You'll charge it up ahead of time. It comes with a little charge cord, which is very nice. And then it will just do a little massage for you. So you can use that, you can put that on, and then put this on and take a little rest. Okay, Camille. And then there are other things in here, fun things, y'all. They send you a bar. This is really cute tin. Really cute. It says coffee. It is a shampoo bar. So a shampoo bar is usually for your whole body. So it looks like a chocolate macaron. Isn't that cute? It's got, looks like coconut. It smells fabulous. It's like you're in a coffee shop. Oh, it smells fabulous. But it's adorable, and you can shampoo your hair and wash your body with it. So if you don't like, what's at the hospital, or again, woo, just to brighten yourself up. You can see her tail swishing. Just to brighten yourself up if you're not feeling well, some nice little scents and things to make you feel better. And I'm not quite sure what this is, y'all. See, there's some funny things in here that just crack you up. This looks like a teething ring. Maybe if you're really mad, you just bite down hard on something. Or maybe it's just to, help you a little bit with your nerves, squeeze it or whatever. Play with your dog. I'm not quite sure what you're supposed to do with that, but this thing is cracking me up. This thing right here. Here we got a little, you can put this on a keychain, put this on your backpack, anywhere, on your purse, whatever. It is a rubber chicken, y'all. It is so cute. It's so cute. It's really is rubbery. There is the chicken's head, and then the legs are hanging there, and it's got a little tail in the back. And now look what it does. You're upset, or maybe not. Maybe you just need to laugh. Maybe you just need to make somebody laugh. You squeeze it, and out comes this ball. And there is like an egg in there that's moving around in there. It's hysterical. It's making me laugh every time I play with it. And I don't want the cats to get it, but you see that there's like a little egg in there, and it moves around. So get someone to laugh. If they're not feeling good, get them to feel a little bit better. And there is one more thing in here. It's just a feel-good box, y'all. It's a feel-good box. It's a way to help you just brighten your spirits. You're not feeling well for whatever reason, and you just need your spirits lifted. What a great gift to send. Like I said, if you're out of state, you can send this to someone via Amazon. They get it very quickly. If you, want to send it to your house and then carry it, you can get this a little gift for yourself in there as well. There is this. These are challenge puzzles. So there's 8 of them in there, and it says challenge metal puzzles. And then it tells you, I think it's going to give you the directions on how to, this simple metal puzzle is designed to challenge you mentally and physically. Once you have solved it, challenge your friends. So each one, do you all remember these when we were kids? Each one does something different, and you've got to figure out how to take the pieces apart. And they do give the answers on the back. So if you get stuck and you can't figure it. So let me open one up to show you. I don't know if I can, perform on, whoops, they've all got moved around. But here's, for example, this is all together. See how these are 2 pieces, and then there's this ring. And what you want to do is you can't get that off of there. So what are you going to do? Uh-oh, she just ran off with something. I think it was one of those blue strings, which is fine. So what's the answer to this one? I don't know, but you've got to figure it out. Somehow you got to figure out how to get that ring off, I think is what you're wanting to do with this one. So you just, it's just fun. It'll keep you busy. Like I said, if you're in the waiting room, if your friend's in the hospital, and you can take these out to the waiting room while their doctor comes in, and then you can play around with this one, and then you won't feel like it's taking too long. So lots of fun stuff. There's 8 of them, 8 different ones in there. Oh, that's interesting. Not sure what you're gonna do with that. And this one, oh, this one's pretty cool. So this is just a really fun. This made me laugh. And when they asked me to do this, I was like, I don't really understand it, but let me see it. And they sent it to me, and I was like, it's just a lot of fun. And what I had to do is do this for Instagram. They wanted me to show this on Instagram, which I did. And a couple of y'all asked me about it. So I thought I'd make a video to show you. So I'm going to go put these on myself, y'all. I'm keeping this box for myself, even though I'm not sick. I think it's a joy. It's a funny joy. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. I'll put the link for Amazon below. Again, the company is BluQbt. And when I posted this on Amazon, they did contact me and thanked me. So I thought that was so cute that they sent me a little gift along with this pretty box. You'll take this off and you have this really nice box. Like I said, for, to carry all your things home with, and for your mementos and things like that. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings and take care. Bye-bye.